This is a one-bed, one-bath located in the Inlet Apartments at 3370 Dewdney Trunk Road. Starting at the entrance, there is a foyer on the immediate left that leads straight to the laundry room. Just prior to the laundry room, there is a closet on the right. The laundry room features a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer with significant storage space. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, there is a glass window with a large glass sliding door on the left that leads onto a balcony. Both the door and window have rolling shades. Leftwards of the kitchen is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 4 drawers and 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. To the left of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with rolling shades on the immediate right. On the left, there is a spacious walk-in closet.